In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bitwarden on Ubuntu 20.04, a fantastic way to self-host your own password manager. Being in control of your own data is crucial in this digital age, and having a secure and reliable password manager like Bitwarden is a great step towards enhanced security. So, let's dive in. First, we need to start by visiting Bitwarden's official website. You can easily find them online with a quick search for Bitwarden, the best password manager for business, enterprise, and personal use. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice that everything is straightforward and user-friendly. Next, on their website, there's an option to log in. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials if you're already a user. If you're not, you'll see an option to sign up, which is equally simple and straightforward. It's essential to have an account because it's necessary for downloading and managing your Bitwarden vaults. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden Vault section. Here, you can access and organize all your stored credentials. This is where Bitwarden securely keeps track of your usernames, passwords, and other sensitive data. It's your digital safe, and it's great because it provides a centralized place for all your information, making sure you never forget a password again. Now, head over to the Download section on the Bitwarden website. This part of the process enables you to download the Bitwarden application tailored to your operating system. For those using Ubuntu, specifically Ubuntu 20.04, you'll find the appropriate files here. The next thing you will want to do is click on the Linux option. The reason we select Linux is that Ubuntu is part of this operating system family, so this will ensure the download is compatible. After that, within the Linux downloads, select Ubuntu. This will give you access to the version specifically optimized for Ubuntu users. In just a few minutes, your download will be ready, and you'll be on your way to securely managing your passwords. Remember, installing a password manager like Bitwarden on your server gives peace of mind by ensuring your sensitive information is stored safely and can only be accessed by you. With our digital lives becoming more complex, a tool like Bitwarden isn't just a convenience. It's an essential part of staying secure online. That wraps up today's guide on installing Bitwarden on Ubuntu 20.04. I hope you found this instructional session helpful. If you encounter any issues, the Bitwarden community and their support team are excellent resources. Enjoy your secure password management and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.